guys, welcome back to another video of Boxers or Bust. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to apologize. I did it again. So I started a project without starting a video, like I mostly do, because again, like this video is mainly for me, not for you guys. I just want to vlog it for myself, just for the experience. I know some of you like, oh, that's so don't care. I don't know, hardly getting views on this anyway. But yeah, so stick in my, how do you say these? ENKEL wheels on 18-inch with my Tein Flex A coilovers. Finally got those front knuckles in. That were off some Flex Z streets. These are the old ones. So once I do my STI 6-speed swap, I can slap those back on, which will fit the knuckle size for that. So I'm good there. So I'm good for coilovers overall. But yeah, as I showed you guys, they stick out a bunch. If I had the STI version of 2008 or like 2009 and sooner WRX, it would have the flare and it would match up perfect, but I don't have the flare, so they don't match up, which is all right, because I'm either going to buy an EJ 255, shove it in this thing, and then sell it, and then take the 257 out of this one and buy a 2014 shell, has a clean title on it, up in Tennessee. Or I'm just going to replace the these front panels and rear panels, maybe, with STI ones. So a couple options. Obviously the first option is a lot harder, but I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, we'll see if I'll get some good time lapse. My tripod stand broke, so there's that. And it's dark, so we'll see if I can get some good time lapse in here for you. But yeah, let's get these. Oh yeah, I'm doing the white line rear control arms, which are or should be compatible. We'll find out with that, along with the wheels and coilovers. So I already got this right rear coilover on. It's just I was using an 11/16 socket to try to get this last bolt out, but it's actually 17 millimeter, so it sort of stripped it a little bit. So I actually bought 17 millimeter because they don't sell the bolt extractor in 17 millimeter, only in 16. So I'm gonna have to order off Amazon or something. So there's that. So hopefully this works and I can drive my car tomorrow. I mean, if all else fails, I can not put the control arms on. I'll leave it on there. And then once I get the bolt extractor, 17 millimeter bolt extractor in, I can, you know, then put the control arms back on. Because it is going to be annoying, because the new control arms are camber adjustable. So hopefully I can get a alignment appointment this week, so we don't mess up my tires. So yeah. Alright, that's going to be it. That's all we're doing for this video. So we'll get this time lapse going.
The world is fading. There is no room for joy, but I feel so lost in the melody of this song now. If we could go back in time, if we could go break our chains, we could hold your hand forever, forever. Too many times I learned to walk by your side all day.
Guys, we're back. Sorry it's all fuzzy. I can't figure out why it's all fuzzy. Maybe it's because it's at night. Anyway, so it's waiting for the car to warm up right now. Yeah, we'll give you a look at it. Looks pretty decent. Like the rears look pretty good. It's like sort of flush, but the fronts are just like sticking out like this whole thing. I think that's pretty good wheel gap. That might be a little bit too much or too little. Like compared to this, I gotta figure this out. Because they're like a 1/4 inch off. And that to me does not look like a 1/4 inch off. I don't know. So yeah, she looks good in them. Yeah, we'll go for a test drive, see how she feels. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. We will see you guys next time.